Alright guys, so today is a new day of vlogging food, and today's restaurant review is a restaurant down in the Hampton Roads area called Mezcal, I think it's pronounced. It's a Hispanic restaurant here in the Hampton Roads area, down closer towards the Buckrow Beach area. If you're ever in that area, make sure you go over here and check it out. I don't know what the food is going to taste like today because it's our first time ordering here, but my parents, adopted parents, have been here before and they stated that it's a very good restaurant, so we decided since we were in the area we were going to come and check it out. So I ordered the chimichangas, my wife ordered the vegetable. Oh no, she ordered the chimichangas. I ordered the carnita tacos, and I'm gonna give a simple review and let you guys know what I think of it and think if it's worth coming out here to this restaurant. So we're on the lunch special, and hopefully everything is pretty good. So another thing we want to highlight here at this restaurant is that the workers here is doing a very good job at keeping the restaurant very clean. We got a worker here behind me here is doing a very good job on polishing down the chairs and making sure that no dust or anything gets on them, and as some of the light fixtures that are above us don't have any dust on them. And you know, normally we usually see a ceiling fan that usually has some dust particles on it or dust buildup. That has been addressed and taken care of, so we don't even have to worry about that here. So that's one of the things. The menu seems to be clean. They have very good paper towels in their bathroom. They're not like the cheaper kind. They're the ones that are real soft and to your touch. And I think it's, so far they're winning us over with the amenities that they have. Next, let's see if they can hit us up with the food. Alright, this is the first initial bite.
You know, nigga got a little work boyfriend. She going nuts with him.
See that? Look at that inside. And that hot sauce is pretty smoky hot. But it's got good flavors where it's kind of, the pork actually balances everything out. And the lime juice is really cut out like all the extra flavors that you really don't want in there.
What don't you want in there?
Like the fat. Like it cuts out the fat. And it makes it don't seem as bland. That was the carnitas, that I have, and my wife has chimichanga, and it's got shrimp and scallops in it, and boy, it's good. Now I'm gonna keep in mind that when you normally go to a restaurant, especially a Hispanic restaurant, they usually bring you out the chips and salsa, as you know, as your appetizer. My wife says these are the best. This salsa is pretty good, and I'm pretty sure it's made in-house.
Always.
And not just some regular store-bought something. But back to this.
You didn't let me taste it.
I forgot to let my wife taste my tacos. I'm sorry. They are good. I promise you. They're good. So, to wrap up, this restaurant, I can say, served us well. The chips and salsa is good. It's real good. Hell, it's just real worth coming here just to eat this. Like I said, guys, Colossal Eats, love to eat. Showcase restaurants for you guys, let you know what my reviews are on the food that I did try. And if it's a restaurant that's in the area that you know of, let me know, and I will go and check it out. Give you a review on it. Let me know what I need to try. Just don't give me some BS to try, because I'm the one eating it first. So we're about to leave and head on up out of here. But this restaurant would definitely be one of the ones on our list to come back. On our Google Maps, when we locate a restaurant, we save it. So hopefully one day I can post that out there for you guys. Alright, so as we were leaving out, we decided to take some of the chips and salsa to go, and they were generous enough to even hand us a little bit. I know you probably can't hear me because of this loudspeaker here of the music, but I'm gonna get away from it so you guys can hear me. But that was a good restaurant. I'm sure we would go back to it again just because the food is so good and amazing. But what do you think?
It was delicious.
Thanks you. At least somebody else can vouch for me, and I'm not the only one. So if you're ever in the Hampton Roads area again, once again, please try it out. I promise you, you will not be disappointed.